Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variables to your Hello World script that we did in the last course. So what we're going to do, open up your terminal. Your script should be in your home directory, which is what you should be in right now. You can type pwd to see that you're in your home directory or where you're at. Go ahead and list the contents so you can see to make sure your script is there. So here's your Hello World script. We're going to do a little cleanup first. So we're going to make a directory for all our scripts. So mkdir, let's just call it scripts in your home directory. So that means home. And then so scripts, so ls minus l, let's list the directory again. As you can see, we have a folder named scripts. So now let's move our hello world.sh to the scripts folder. So mv for move, then type in the file you want to move, and then where, so it'll be scripts, enter. List the directory again. As you can see, the script's not there now. So now let's go into our directory with cd scripts. And now I want you to copy the hello world script so we can make edits to it so you have an original copy of the first script we did. So we want to do cp hello world, and then you want to call this next one, we're going to name it o2 dash hello world underscore variable intro dot sh. And you can do ls minus l. You can see both exist. And so now we're going to go in to the script vim, the one we just created. So you can see it's an exact copy. So what we're going to do now, leave everything the same, press I to enter the insert mode so you can start typing. So we're going to get rid of echo, and we're going to type HW equals. And that's, you created a variable right there. So your variable is HW for hello world, the equal sign, and you're assigning the value hello world to this variable. Make sure there's no spaces between the equal sign and your data and the variable. And then as far as naming goes, you could use numeric characters, um, alpha characters, alphanumeric characters, and underscores. You don't want to start with a number or anything like that. So now what we're going to do is call this variable, because we just set the variable with data. Now we're going to call it. So what you want to do is echo $sign is what calls it. It's what brings the value out. It calls the value of the variable. And then you're going to want to do escape colon write and quit. So now we can run that script, and it's going to pretty much do the same thing we did before, but this time we're using variables. So let's see. Let's do bash o2 tab hello world. So now I'm going to show you something else. We go into the script again. Oops. Exit out of this. Forgot to autocomplete. Tab it. Enter. Then now you could call this variable anywhere you want in a script. So then we'll save that. Escape. WQ. There we go. So we have, now we could call that again, or we could run the script, and you can see it printed out hello world as many times as I called the variable. It might seem simple now, but in the future you're going to see how we could utilize this with loops and functions. So just think of variables as a container that holds your data, and that makes it easier for you to actually organize your scripts and pull in data to your variables and use those variables within your script. And thank you.